Hello. I'm stuck in a 3-mile queue for Dartford Tunnel, so I'll do this now. Right, good news, great news, fantastic, huge news. And again, I've missed something. You know, you can't see the wood for looking at the trees sometimes. The council took my mate to court. Now, what was written on the summons was trading without a licence under the 1982 Miscellaneous Provisions Act. And they wanted approximately 800 quid. It was 6 months' money. We think they've run out of time to get the rest, like going back 5 years. So they wanted 6 months' money. I don't believe there was an amount specified, but that's about what it is. Now, it came back from the court, because my mate never went, of course, and in fact he'd applied for a delay, which they completely ignored. And it came back from the court that he'd been awarded against him £200 for something, I can't remember what it was, £125 for court costs, and 20 quid for a victim surcharge fee, which is ironic because he's the victim in all of this. Anyway, but of course I never realised, I did a video where I said where's the £800 then? Of course I never realised, technically, really, actually, the council lost that case because no money was awarded to them. So the court has decided to basically award money to itself because whatever they had specified was not what the council was chasing. Even though the council lost the case because they didn't get the money they were after, and well, the court basically said my mate owes them money because the council's money isn't in it. They weren't awarded it, they lost. So he won. And yet he's been charged costs as well. I can't wait to get this one on YouTube. So there we have it. This means, because the council were never awarded that money, the court obviously couldn't award them that money, and that proves that they never could charge. So that actually proves that they've been in the wrong all this time. The last 30 years of charging has been completely illegal. It's theft from the public purse because they've had no court backup for it whatsoever. So they are guilty of theft from the public purse, and now, because they wouldn't admit it, they're now guilty of, oh Christ, where did it start? Misconduct in a public office, threatening behaviour, blackmail, because of course paying this money, what they're saying is the traders need to pay this money to trade, so that's blackmailing you, otherwise you're out of a pitch, you know, they're out of a job, and they have to go and find somewhere else to set up and start again. Obviously there's money missing, so that's fraud. I mean the list is potentially endless, and it means of course that the Chief Constable is in cooperation with a criminal element, whether he knew it or not. Because now there's proof that there's no legal backup at all for the case. Regardless of what they try and produce now, it has been stated in court that they were not entitled to that 6 months' money. And like I said, honestly, I don't know how I missed this before. I really don't. But there you go. I mean, it's just come to light today because I was on the phone to my mate with the burger van. And so, in fact, the Chief Constable is guilty of misconduct in a public office. He will more than likely be linked to various investigations which include threatening behaviour, blackmail, and again, the list is endless. And this proves it. This actually proves it. And they've got that court verdict sitting there in plain sight, which makes them all guilty. And of course the court, what's the court doing? court's awarding costs against someone for a case that didn't even exist. They've just got into court and they've changed the title of the case and come out with a completely different result. What a bunch of wombats. Oh dear, oh dear. These people kill me, they really do. So, I mean, you know, I'd tell the police, but they're all bought and paid for. Do you know what? I'll just let them watch it on my YouTube channel because I know they like that. And then we might see some flapping about in the very near future. I said I'd love to get this up now, but it will be up later. I've done it now, so that's the word is out basically. Yes. Thank you for watching.